This is a gummy bear silicone implant. I'm going to cut it open so you can see what's on the inside, and this is why I love to use gummy bear implants, because of the nature of this gel when it happens to rupture, okay? So it makes it super, super safe. So come on in here, let's take a look. All right, so this is how a general surgeon holds a scalpel. This is how a plastic surgeon holds a scalpel. But with the 10 blade, I'm gonna use the general surgeon way, right? Here we go. Wow. All right, so that's pretty thick shell, you guys. Now look at that, like it wants to go back to its natural form. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why this feels so natural. And then if you open this up, you see, look at that. That doesn't spread throughout your body. The gel comes out if you squeeze it like that, but it goes right back to like nothing happened, like a gummy bear, you guys. But that being said, if you do get a rupture, this can cause some irritation, and that's why we do typically recommend to remove this if you do get a rupture. But these are now safe, in my opinion, compared to the old type of silicone that used to kind of pour throughout your body and go into your lymph nodes, right? That just doesn't happen with these newer implants.